court has officially wrapped for the day in the federal trial of Sean Diddy Combs. And once again, this is day 3 of the trial and day 2 of testimony from former girlfriend Ms. Cassie Ventura. Ventura says she kept a knife wedged in a door handle after getting angry, unannounced visits from Combs. Cassie Ventura testified that she wedged a knife in a door handle because at the time she was getting a lot of unannounced visits from Sean where he was really angry. Emily Johnson, the prosecutor, showed the jury a photo from 2018 of a large knife in the door handle. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Lock it and have a weapon, Ventura said. Ventura testified about how she went to dinner with Combs in Malibu in August of 2018 for what she thought was a closure conversation. She said she was seeing her now husband at the time. Combs was playful and romantic at dinner, she recalled, and then he drove her home. After a long pause sitting on the witness stand, Ventura said, and I quote, "And then he raped me in my living room. I just remember crying and saying no, but it was very fast," she testified. She said she wasn't sure if he even noticed her crying. Ventura said she was intimate with Combs voluntarily one other time after that instance. She also testified that she and Combs have had a few check-ins since they ended things in 2018. "Just checking in, sending love, nothing crazy," she said. Ventura testified that Combs continued to threaten her after she ended their relationship. In messages from 2019, Combs told Ventura, "If I was you, I would get me my money." Ventura said that Combs wanted to be reimbursed because her current husband, Alex Fine, was formerly her personal trainer who Combs paid for. Combs also messaged her, "You will not be threatening me," and said that she had too many iPads full of skeletons. In the messages, Ventura said, "Do you want me to tell the truth? It's way deeper than iPads." There was way more than freak-off, she testified in court this afternoon. There was abuse. There was many things that happened over our relationship. Ventura broke down in tears as she talked about going to rehab and trauma therapy in February of 2023. She said she was having flashbacks during a shooting for a music video with another artist. She also said she was suicidal. I didn't want to be alive anymore at that point," she said. "I couldn't take the pain that I was in anymore. So I just tried to walk out the front door into traffic, and my husband would not let me." The jury was dismissed for a short 10-minute break, and then upon their return, testimony continued. We'll continue with the updates regarding that in part 2. That'll be linked in the comments. Part 2. Ventura testified about the book she wrote in 2023, saying that she didn't think Combs understood the pain she was in. "I don't think he understood. I don't think after all those years of begging for sorries and for him to actually recognize the pain that he put me through, I just wanted him to understand," she said. Ventura said she sent the book to Combs through a lawyer and told him that he could buy the rights to it for $30 million. "I wanted to be compensated for the time, the pain, the many, many years of having to fix my life," she said. Asked how she reached that number, she said, "I really didn't do any research. I just picked a number it had I felt like would alert him." She later reached out to Combs' employee to ask if he had read her book and was told that it hadn't been taken seriously. She said she did not receive any compensation from Combs for the rights to her writing. In November 2023, she filed a lawsuit. Ventura testified that she agreed to settle with Combs and his companies for $20 million 24 hours after filing the lawsuit. Bet he took the thing seriously then. Judge Aaron Subramaniam dismissed the jury for the day, and the defense will begin their cross-examination of Ventura tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The judge said the prosecution and defense, need to resolve issues regarding the cross-examination before it begins. Defense attorney Anna Estavo says she expects cross-examination to stretch into Friday. So, we shall see as things continue to progress. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Other than that, I'll see you with tomorrow's updates.